Oh hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs, and here we have V15 stopped fully in the platform at Hawkesbury River. Now V15 was supposed to stop, but overshot by all 4 cars. I thought I'd film this, it's kind of funny. They're going to bring V15 back into the platform, but yeah, you know, you see trains overshoot by one or two cars, sorry. But you know, overshooting by a whole set. Alright, they're bringing her back in now. Okay, attempt numero dos. Number 2. Anyway, yeah, nothing wrong with a humorous vlog. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this up, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video, and see you next time. Bye for now.